To set up BMO online banking, start by going to the BMO website and clicking on the Online Banking tab. From there, select the option to register for online banking and enter your debit or credit card number and expiration date. You will then be prompted to create a username and password, which will be used to log into your account. Next, you will need to set up security questions and answers, which will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Choose questions and answers that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once you have completed the registration process, you can log into your account and start exploring the online banking platform. You can view your account balances and transaction history, pay bills, transfer money, and set up account alerts. You can also use the platform to apply for credit cards, loans, and other banking products. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to log out when you are finished using the online banking platform and keep your username and password confidential. You should also monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity and report it to BMO immediately if you notice anything unusual. In addition to the online banking platform, BMO also offers a mobile banking app that allows you to access your account on the go. You can download the app from the App Store and log in using your username and password. The app allows you to perform many of the same tasks as the online banking platform, including viewing account balances and transaction history, paying bills, and transferring money. Overall, setting up BMO online banking is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined above, you can start managing your finances online and taking advantage of the convenience and flexibility that BMO online banking has to offer.